Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I know we're kind of just getting into it today. I did want to do something a little bit differently. I had noticed that a couple of people were going around and doing some unedited videos, which is something I was toying around with, but instead I decided to do a time-lapse video. So I hope you guys enjoy just watching me get ready. I'll list everything I used down below, but today is going to be very low-key. It's just going to be very quickly me getting ready. So that's something you're into. Make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So we're already kind of into it, but enjoy the video.